In this video, I'll show you how to set your Microsoft Teams status to always available. Before we start, there's one important thing to know. Microsoft Teams does not currently offer a true always available setting that permanently locks your presence on available. Microsoft's own support notes that you can set a duration for some statuses, but not for available, and your presence can still change automatically based on your activity, calendar, device state, or whether your computer goes idle. So, the closest option is to manually set your status to available and then reduce the chances of Teams switching you to away. First, open Microsoft Teams and sign in. In the top right corner, click your profile picture. From there, click your current status. If you are showing as busy, away, or something else, choose available from the list. In Teams on the web, Microsoft says you can also change your status from your profile picture menu in the same general way. Now, here's the key part. Because Teams can automatically change your status when your device becomes inactive, you need to keep your computer from going idle too quickly. That usually means adjusting your screen, sleep, or power settings so your device stays awake while you are working. Microsoft Community Guidance also points out that if your system goes idle or sleep mode kicks in, Teams may stop showing you as active. You should also be aware that Teams status can be affected by other situations, like opening Teams on another device, locking your screen, joining meetings, or activity coming from your calendar. That means even if you set yourself to available, Teams may still update it automatically later. As an extra tip, you can set a status message if you want coworkers to know you are reachable. Click your profile picture, choose Set Status Message, type something like Available, Message Me Anytime, choose how long the message should stay visible, and then click Done. This does not force your presence to stay unavailable, but it does help communicate that you are open to chat. So, to recap, click your profile picture, set your status to available, keep your computer awake, and use a status message if needed. That is the closest way to stay always available in Microsoft Teams right now. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.